So if you forgot your iPhone AIR password, it's showing iPhone unavailable, let's go ahead and see how to remove the password and lock it without a reset or erasing your iPhone data. Alright, so as I've said, after several attempts, if your iPhone is showing iPhone unavailable and locked for a specific period, and if your iPhone AIR is of course updated to iOS 17 or later, logged into Apple account and connected to the internet, Wi-Fi or cellular, you will get this forgot password prompt. Just tap on it. Or here's the thing. If you've changed your screen lock within the last 72 hours, you will get this option to reset password without erasing your iPhone. Just tap on enter previous passcode and then put down your old passcode. And then you gotta set a new password, create one, and then just verify it once more. Wait a bit. And then just swipe up from the lock screen and bam, you can enter your iPhone AIR. And from now on, you gotta use the new password to unlock your iPhone. But what if you haven't set a passcode recently? After tapping forgot password, in that case, you will get this option, start iPhone reset. This will of course erase everything from your iPhone unless it's backed up into iCloud. If you're okay with that, just hit the start iPhone reset. You'll be prompted to put down your Apple ID password in here. Just go ahead, hit continue. Select whether you want to keep or delete the eSIMs along with that. I'm going to just keep my eSIMs. And then it'll just factory reset your iPhone AIR. Now after the reset, it will end up in setup mode. Just go ahead and reset up your iPhone AIR once again. Now on the way, if you want, you can set up a new screen lock. Totally optional. And you know what? If your data was backed up into iCloud, you might be able to retrieve all of them after the setup is done. And just in case if you did not get the forgot password option, we have a dedicated video how you can restore your iPhone from recovery or DFU mode. If you want, you can just go ahead and check that out. Thanks for watching.